Okay. You already know what time it is. It's time for Gucci. It's Gucci time. No. Gotta protect these edges. I look like a boy, but it's okay. We gonna do what we gotta do. I'm so mad because I did not clean my brushes last night. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. You already know it's your girl Laquelle. So I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be back. Okay. Hey, welcome back y'all. I'm back and I'm better and I'm back and I'm better and I'm back and I'm better. So I'm going to conceal my eyelids. Actually, I'm going to conceal my dark spots. I lied. Y'all, I got a new foundation today. Hold on. For foundation, I bought the Born This Way. Yes. Too Faced. I'm in the color Chai. And I'm going to go in with my Becca Backlight Primer Filter. I'm going to mix that in my foundation. This foundation is buildable. That's for sure. It's like medium to full coverage. So I'm going to conceal my face with Biscuit and my Tarte Shape Tape. So you guys already know like this step. I don't even know why I even do it every time. So I'm going to set my highlighted areas with my banana powder. Damn, that was a lot. And I'm contouring with my Chai, right? Yeah. No, with clove. So before I set, I'm going to just make sure that there's no creasing. So I ain't setting no fine lines. Set my smile lines. Sorry if I'm not talking. I just want to do my makeup. So to set my contour, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Bronzer. It looks like this. To contour my nose, I'm just going to take a little bit of that. I'm going to set my face with the NYX Matte Finishing. I'm going to apply some highlighter. Which highlighter should I use, y'all? I think I'm gonna go in with this, my old school, because I've been using. Ooh, look at this, crazy. I've been using a lot of Kylie, so I'm gonna try. The only thing I'm gonna try to use is my clothes. That's from her. So I'm going to go in with Amber Gold, which is this one. Yes, honey. Okay. And for the eyes, we're going to go in with the Morphe 35OM palette. But before that, I'm going to set my eyelid. I'm going with this brown. And I'm going to apply that to my lid as my transition shade. Actually, I'm going to go in with this one. And that was my e.l.f. blending brush. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe 330 brush, and I'm going to go in with this dark brown right here, and I'm going to apply that to the outer layer of my eye, or the outer corner, not layer. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to add that to the crease as well. Ooh, I like it, y'all. So for the lid, I'm going with this Morphe palette. It's the 24G Glam. And I'm going to go in with, what color should I go in with? Probably this one right here. I'm feeling that one. I think so. And I'm just going to take a clean blending brush, which is my Morphe E27 brush. I'm just gonna blend it together. I don't know. I was supposed to like simple, right? Simple, simple, simple. Yeah, simple. I like simple. And I'm just going to blend all of that together. Really simple, right? Really simple. So for eyelashes, we got the Eyelure Dramatics on deck. You already know. So you guys, guess what? I got a new lip liner, and it ain't Club Hopper. This one is called Downtown Beauty. I think I'm gonna go in with, I'm going with Birthday Suit from Kylie. I know I said I wasn't gonna do Kylie, but so I'm going to go in with this blush. Okay, y'all, I'm done. So I'm gonna go do my hair, and I'll be back. All right, y'all. Ooh, I'm cute or whatever. So this concludes the final look, y'all. I'm out. Peace.